I needed an easy foldable bucket that I could use for fishing and in garden situations. This is very good because it's portable. You can fold it and put it in a backpack. How does it handle water? I used a full bucket of water to put into it. I only filled it halfway. You can see here it's like a 5 gallon bucket that goes into here. And this is a bigger bag. I think I could fit more water in this. You can see the space and it holds it nicely. It's comfortable. The handles are good and sturdy. They feel strong. And overall, I'm quite pleased with this because it actually acts as an option to allow you to use it in multiple different ways. Because I will use it in fishing to get a bucket of water to maybe mix a bit of lure together. It's quite easy to pour out as well because of the spout. And overall, there's a few options available in this, but I wanted to do a quick video just to give you an idea of how well it performs and what it does really. But it's a nice option for a multitude of information like camping or outdoor use. You can use it in loads of ways. Hopefully, this helps you if you're thinking about buying this.